Hey guys, this is Austin. I'm going to be showing you how to access the Web3 wallet on Binance. Now, the Web3 wallet works just like your trust wallet, your non-custodial wallet, where you have total control of the wallet. If you don't feel comfortable saving up your assets on the normal exchange, you can move it up to the Web3 wallet. I'm going to guide you through how to get your Web3 wallet on, started, and running. Now, on the bottom page, this is a Binance interface. On the bottom part of the screen, you're going to see wallet. Click on the wallet. On the bottom right part, click on the wallet. It's going to pop open a page for you where you click on Web3. On the top part of your screen, you can see exchange. Now click on the one on the right. It's Web3. You click on Web3. It's gonna pop open Web3 for you. If it's your first time of clicking on Web3, it's gonna prompt you to register. I have clicked on it before. That is why I don't have to register again. So on this Web3 platform, you can send your assets and you can also receive assets. You can see it here, but I haven't backed up my wallet yet. That's why it's showing that. If backed it up, it's just like your trust wallets, where you back up your wallet and save it in a secured location, either in your email, your flash drive, or wherever you want to keep it safe. So this is how the Web3 works. You can also transfer assets from your spot wallet to your Web3, keeping it safe for you and making you to have a total control of your asset. If you find this useful, please smash the like and the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. And don't forget, this is Austin.